behind the door handle pull, there's a little plastic cap. I'm going to use a small pick, get right behind that, pop this button off. There'll be a Phillips head screw right here. Go ahead and remove that. I want to go ahead on the bottom of the door panel. There's a Phillips head screw here and one right on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and remove both of these. I'm going to go ahead and pull up on the door panel. Release it from the upper section here. Behind the door panel, there's a metal actuator rod with a little clip. Just want to push on this clip, get it dislodged from that metal rod. Then go ahead and pull that out. Once that's disconnected, you want to go ahead and lift up on the panel and separate your door lock rod from the panel itself. Now your mirror harness comes down to this connector. There's a little spring tab right here. You're just going to pinch this and pull that connector off. Using a 10mm socket and ratchet, we're going to go ahead and remove this nut, and this one here. You want to support that mirror with one hand while you remove that last nut. You need to wiggle the mirror. Take your harness, feed it through the door panel. A little foam cork plug popped out here, so that just gets inserted back into the mirror port hole here. Pull the harness through, feed the studs into the door itself. You'll have to close your door a little bit to get the mirror studs to line up. Once the studs are in, you can go ahead and open that door up all the way. Go ahead and install one of the 10mm nuts on the top. That'll allow you to step away. Install the two lower nuts and we'll snug those down. Once you feel the nuts start to snug up, just give it a little extra. Repeat for the others. I'll go ahead and install the harness connector. Just line that up. Press it in, you'll hear it click. Take the inside rod here for your door pull handle. Line that up, push it on. Put that clip back on. Now what you want to do is reach back here. You're going to find your lock rod right here for the door. Line that up. You want to hang the top of the door panel here. On the bottom of the door panel will be tabs like this here that fit into these holes in the door shell. Once we have all the tabs caught, you can just push the door panel down, sets into place. Snap on your triangle panel here for your mirror cover. Going to install the lower door panel screws. Install the upper door panel screw right behind the door handle pull. And then we'll go ahead and install our little trim button here.